guys, it's your boy Manelisi. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to change your font size from big to small and tiny, stuff like that. First of all, you need an application. This application is called Big Fonts. Here is I've already searched it from Google Play Store. So let's click install. Here is I believe that this app works on all devices, all Android devices. Here is installing. As you can see, 240%, 180, 140, 100, and 60. Yeah. This is how it is. 200%, 90%. Okay, it's done installing. Click open. Here it is, loading. Okay. So here it is. Okay, I understand. So guys, click here on the plus sign. As you can see, you can make your fonts. Let me see the maximum amount. Okay, 240. You can make your font size up to 240%, and the minimum is 50, the tiniest I think. So yeah, let's test. You can create one. Okay, are you sure to do this change? Yes. Oh fucking hell, outfits. Okay, here it is, font size changed. You need to restart your phone to have a new experience with a bigger font. Yeah, I think it's activated. Now what you need to do now is to restart your device, then the font size automatically makes it move. So yeah, here are other options on 2140. Yeah guys, take care, be safe, sanitize, stay at home. I believe that we can fight this disease. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned. So please subscribe and leave a like.